Hi, welcome to Sonny's The Car Wash Factory. I'm Reggie Flanagan, Vice President of Sonny's Car Wash Controls. One of the frequently asked questions we get around here is how do you track incidents? What happens if somebody pulls through the wash and there's some damage to their vehicle? How are we tracking that? And we actually turn around typically and go, well, how are you tracking it? And most of the response that we receive is we're filling out a form and we're filing it away in a filing cabinet. Well, our answer for that frequently asked question is incident tracking. There's a lot of online portals that you're able to use right now. Sonny's Controls has their own incident tracking module that's included with OneWash. And that consists of being able to quickly enter any of your incidents, track them, track the customer, track everything all the way to completion. Did it go to insurance? How much did it cost? Those are some of the great things with it. And that's a lot of data entry, which is valuable data entry because you actually can't pull data from a file cabinet. One of the great things here is that we have reporting, so you can pull up a report and you can actually see patterns. So are there any patterns of certain equipment damaging certain vehicles, certain things were damaging on a vehicle, is there an adjustment I need to make? So having the reporting and actually being able to utilize that data that you're gathering is very key. So for us, the number one answer to that is actually digitize everything, because then you're able to pull the data and you're actually able to get reporting and take actionable measures. And even at a glance from your phone or any kind of device, anytime, anywhere, you can just take a quick look and see all the incidents that you've been seeing over the year across all your sites with your simple dashboard widgets. And there you have it. For more frequently asked questions, go to sonnysdirect.com/FAQ.